Next topic is Doppler effect. Doppler effect is the motion related frequency change. That is, the frequency of the source is observed change when there is a motion of the source or the observer. It is a wave phenomena which is exhibited by sound wave as well as the electromagnetic waves. In case of sound wave, the frequency change is observed when either the source is moving or the observer is moving or source and observer both are moving. First, we write the formula for the frequency change and then we will drive them. Suppose there is a source of sound which is moving with velocity Vs and there is a observer or rather listener which is moving say with velocity V, and sound is moving from source to observer with the velocity V. Here nu is the frequency of sound waves emitted by source. Vs is the velocity of source. Vo is velocity observer, or we can say it is listener, and nu dash is the frequency, or we can say this is the apparent frequency which is observed by observer. Then formula of the frequency nu dash will be equal to nu into V minus Vo by V minus Vs. Here V is the velocity of sound waves. We will derive this formula, but because this formula is very frequently used in the numerical problems, so first we have to discuss it. Here is a sign convention. Reference direction is taken from source to observer, that is in direction of propagation of sound wave. Velocities in direction of sound wave will be taken positive, and velocity, say velocity of source or observer in opposite direction to sound is taken negative. Further, if medium in which sound wave is moving is also have velocity Vm, then the apparent frequency will be equal to nu V plus Vm minus Vo divided by V plus Vm minus Vs. So we have to remember this formula. Let's take one example, then we will derive the relation. A speeding motorcyclist sees traffic jam ahead him. He slowed down to 36 km per hour and find the traffic at ease, and a car moving ahead of him at 18 km per hour is honking at frequency of 1392 Hz. That means cars is acting as a source and has the frequency of sound 1392 Hz. Speed of the source, that is of the car, is given 18 km per hour, and the observer is the motorcyclist, so velocity of observer is 36 km per hour. If we make the diagram, The motorcyclist is observer moving with the velocity VO, and the car is acting as source moving with velocity Vs. And sound is moving from source to observer in the direction as shown with velocity V. Now, the frequency of the honk as heard by him, that is by the motorcyclist. So using the formula nu dash equal to nu V minus VO by V minus Vs. Here media is stationary as no speed of the media is given. So substituting the value, frequency nu is 1392 Hertz. This velocity of source, which is 18 km per hour, if we convert it into the meter per second, it will be 18 into 1000 divided by 3600. So it will be 200 and then 5. So it is 5 meter per second. And because 36 is double of 18, so velocity of the observer will be 10 meter per second. Velocity of sound is given 343 meter per second. So it is 343 minus. Now velocity of the observer is 10 meter per second, and this velocity of observer is opposite to the reference direction of velocity of sound V. So we have to take this value minus 10 divided by V 343 minus, and also velocity of source is in opposite of the reference direction of velocity of sound, so it is also taken negative. Solving it, 1392 into 353 divided by 348, and on dividing this 348 and 1392, it will come 4, and it will result in 4 into 353, that is equal to 1412 Hertz. This is the answer.